Hello everyone. So you have this problem at your hand. In order to solve this, what you will do first is just write it. Okay. So what is given is 5.55 to the power x equals to 0.555 to the power y equals to, instead of 10,000, sorry, 1000, we'll write 10 to the power 3. Okay. Because everything is in terms of powers. So why we are writing it in this way? Because you can see that it is mostly in terms of some powers, a number 555 and some powers of 10, right? It is not going to be wrong to conclude that. Okay? So we'll do exactly that. So 555 by, instead of 100, we'll write 10 square. Okay, this is to the power x. This is going to be 555 by, instead of 1000, we'll write 10. We'll write 10 to the power 3. Okay, and this is going to be 10 to the power 3. Now how many equations are given? So basically there are two equations that are given. This equals to this, that is one, and this equals to this is, that is another. Okay, you can write, you can take any two combinations, that is also fine, but taking this will make our process easier because we are isolating the unknowns. What are the unknowns? X and y. Okay, x and y that are unknown, we are isolating the unknown through this process. Okay, so let us try that again. So then what we have is 555 by, so we can write it as x, we can write it as 2 to 2x, right? This equals to 10 to the power 3. Okay, so we can again say that 555 to the power x equals to 10 to the power 3 plus 2x. Okay, all right, we can write it in this term, and this green route we will take now. What is this? This is saying that 555 to the power y by 10 to the power 3y, right? 10 to the power 3y, this is going to be equals to 10 to the power 3. Okay, now we can write in the similar fashion that 555 to the power y, this is going to be 10 to the power 3 plus 3y. Okay, so now we have two equations. One is 555 to the power x equals to 10 to the power 3 plus 2x, right? Another equation is 555 to the power y equals to 10 to the power what, 3 plus 3y, right? 3 plus 3y. Now you can see something from here, that we are on to something, right? So we'll express this in terms of this. What, how will you do that? So we'll multiply this x with y and divide by x, right? So we'll have to do the same thing to the power of this, right? 2x will multiply by y and divide by x. So this turns out to be 555 to the power y equals to 10 to the power, this is the important term here, so 10 to the power 3 plus 2x y by x. Okay, now what you can see, this term and this term, this should be equal because this term is equal to this term, right? So we can write that 3 plus 2x y by x, basically this term, is equals to 3 plus 3y. Okay, all right, let us try to solve this one. Uh, so again, what we have here is simply 3y plus 2xy equals to 3xy plus 3x, right? All right, we have this. Now it is very simple in terms of, so 3y minus 3x equals to xy, right? So we have this updated information with us. Okay, all right, we have this equation, and what is finally you have to find out, again we will write it once. So 3y minus 3x is equal to 3xy, right? And what is the final what is the final thing that we have to find out? This is 1 by x minus 1 by y, right? So you can see, oh sorry, one thing, this is not 3xy, this is simply xy. If you go back, this is simply xy, right? All right. Now that you have it, you can simply see, you just have to divide this xy, you take this xy this side, right? So it is 3 by x minus 3 by y equals to 1. So then 1 by x minus 1 by y equals to 1 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer that you are trying to find out. 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay, so this is how you solve this. uh, okay, like and subscribe if you'd like to, helps me a lot. See you in another video with another problem.